Okay, we're here with Bill, President of Plastics Division. Bill, nice to see you.
Nice seeing you, Steve.
Yeah, I want to talk about the vast capabilities within the Plastics Division, from pellets, extrusion like we have here in this facility as well as others, molding, all the way to complex steerable catheter technologies. If you can give us a high-level overview.
Sure, we have a host of capabilities, everything from making pellets. We do make our own resin, particularly polyurethanes. We do that polymerization all the way through pelletization. From there, we also have injection molding. We have liquid resin casting, which is for lower volume products where we want to stay cost competitive and not build a mold. So we're building typically a pattern and a box to cast in. We do 3D production printing, and we also do thermoforming.
Okay.
In addition to that, we do extrusion. We're doing this facility. We blow balloons. We do balloon catheters. And then in some of our other sites, we do full assemblies of steerables and full finished devices all the way through sterilization.
Okay. In this particular site, Bill, we talked about extrusion and balloon catheters. Tell us a little bit about the capabilities within the Athens site for extrusion and balloon capabilities.
Within the Athens site, we do blow balloons and do fiber reinforced balloons. In addition to that, we do extrusion, so we can make our own shafts. We do a reflow process. And then we also do injection molding at this site specifically for vertical integration. So we have vertically integrated injection molding, extrusion, blow molding of balloons, all the way through making the full balloon catheters.
Bill, one of the trends in medtech is the miniaturization of medtech, getting smaller and smaller so that we can reach distally further within the anatomy. At the same time, we're integrating electronics, sensors, fibers, cameras. What's the vision for Biomerics from a plastic standpoint to support that technology trend?
Sure. We're taking extrusions down to smaller and smaller levels to support the miniaturization of devices. In addition, we're looking at getting into more micromolding, so we can also support the miniaturization of the devices. That's really where we see it going. Balloons are still going to be roughly the same size, but we may get into some smaller balloons as well, depending on where we're trying to get in the body.
Okay. I know you also, as the Plastics Division President, you have the Metals Division as well, and that's another area where there's a real integration in medtech of metals and plastics. Talk about that vertical integration, that partnership, how you collaborate with the other division, in particular the Metals Division.
Sure. We work very closely with our sister division. When we have metal components that we need, we can vertically insource them rather than having to go through an outside vendor. It gives us a lot of flexibility and a lot of control over the supply chain. So we do integrate very quickly, very easily with our sister plants to bring metal components into our plastic finished devices.
Okay. Excellent. Thanks, Bill.
All right. Thank you, Steve.